Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.